Suppose you're looking for a Medicare agent to help you navigate your healthcare options. In that case, choosing one independent is essential and not tied to a specific insurance company or sales quota. An independent Medicare agent can provide unbiased advice and help you find the best coverage for your needs and budget. They can compare plans from multiple insurance companies and help you understand the benefits and costs associated with each. Choosing an independent Medicare agent means you won't be limited to a specific set of insurance options, and you can rest assured that your agent is working in your best interests, not trying to meet a sales quota. If you have questions about Medicare and your healthcare options, don't hesitate to call us at 888-810-9725 or visit realeasymedicare.com. We can help you understand your choices and make informed decisions. Remember, your health and financial well-being are crucial, and choosing the right healthcare coverage is essential to protecting both.